I hate to have to tell you this, but between Thanksgiving and New Year's Day, many people pack on an extra 5 to 10 pounds. Back with us today is registered dietitian Tammy Vamusa with some strategies for overcoming holiday eating. Do you see this?
No, I don't think it has to be that way. I mean, I think I think it can happen, like the freshman 15 or whatever. Sometimes I think those are kind of myths.
The November, December, though.
Right, but I think it more is people do gain more weight in the generally winter time, not necessarily but
holidays. So what is the best way for you and your family to really avoid gaining some extra weight?
I mean, for you were talking between Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all that. I think you need to. The one thing I always stress every year is planning. You really need to plan more about what you're going to do, how you're going to approach these meals, because these aren't a free-for-all day. I mean, you can't starve yourself all day, as we talked about.
Right. It's not good to wait and only eat one meal because your metabolism.
Your metabolism is going to slow down, and then you are going to gorge on everything you see, and that's not good for you either. So you really need to watch some of the things that you're doing that day.
So that means you're eating higher protein fiber earlier?
Yeah, you can, or just eat like you normally eat, and then use smaller plates. You guys have heard that over and over.
Yes.
But sometimes you might not have a choice. If you're going to someone's house, they might have big plates. Then you have to visualize, okay, I'm just going to eat in this realm of the plate and try little things. You can't use the whole plate then. I mean, you obviously can't say, give me a smaller plate. You might offend the host or something.
What about dessert? Do you say wait and don't go with dessert the first run through?
I mean, there's some things say wait a while, make a couple hours, make sure that you eat. I always say, wait maybe 45 minutes afterwards, maybe try and go for a walk if you can, and then come back and assess what do you really want to have. You know, another interesting point I found for between Thanksgiving and holidays is some people have these special meals they make every year, whether mine is sweet potato pie or rum balls or something. People only have them on those days, so they think they really have to overeat on
and they just want to enjoy every single minute because they're never going to have it for another year.
Why can't you make it throughout the year? Why can't you have cranberry sauce throughout the year? It's sold out throughout the year. You can make it throughout the year. So think about that. You don't have to just
Are you going to make me your sweet potato pie for my birthday in January?
I will,
It is so good.
It is, I will.
Another thing to talk about is alcohol, because not only does it have calories, but it can really mentally it can put you out of the game if you have an approach and then you start to drink some wine.
Well, it also dehydrates you and causes you to eat more. So you're going to you're going to not think about it. You're going to think, oh, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm just going to eat more and more. So that you really need to be careful. Maybe have the alcohol after the meal. So you've already felt, having your fullness, and assess as you go on. Don't wait to that point where you're like, oh, I'm really sick.
Yeah.
And sometimes I suggest wearing a belt, like a tight belt. That,
man.
I know.
That's a good idea, though.
It kind of makes you kind of decide, and then if you have to loosen it, then one notch, okay, man,
I should probably
serious.
cut it off
and if you go 3 notches, it's really getting serious, right?
That's bad. 3 notches is bad.
3 notches, you've gone.
That's 3 inches.
Then you're gaining that 5 pounds throughout the year.
In one day,
So
well, Tammy, thank you so much. A lot of great reminders for all of us as we get ready to enjoy the holidays. And happy Thanksgiving to you. I won't see you before then. Enjoy.
Thanks for having me.
I'll see you.